This onion could literally be a meal for you. Check out how I made them. So notice that these are sweet onions. So I'm gonna get me 4 of them, and we're gonna simply cut the top off, spin it around, cut the bottom off, remove the outer peel. I want you to notice how it's curved on both sides, so the layers of these onions, it doesn't want to fall apart. It's going to kind of hold it together. That's very important. Get you a pan fired up to just a medium temperature. That's all you need. Now you need the Dano's Preem-O. That's the gray silver platinum top, and we're simply going to sprinkle and cover these onions. I'm using avocado oil. Go into our pan. Now we simply just go into our pan and lay them seasoned side down. Now you could totally do this outside on your grill. I just feel that I have more control and I get more flavor actually cooked into them when I do it like this. Now we just season the other side with the Preem-O once again. All right, now they're cooking. We're gonna let them go for about 10 minutes. I'll open it up, give them a flip, let them keep cooking. Look at that. It's only been about 5 minutes. It's all good. Guess what? I don't have this recipe perfected just yet. All I know is I've been making these bad boys and I'm trying to show you all. So now, see how you got that curvature on both sides of the onion? That's why these are perfect, so they don't fall apart on you. We'll just give them a flip. Look at that. Then you can add a little bit of water. Get that stirred around. Just throw this lid on and let them keep cooking. All right, it's been another 5 or 6 minutes. We're just gonna go in here and give them another flip. Lid back on. We'll flip them in another 5 minutes. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. You can see we're starting to get there because when you see the little inside part of the onion starting to pop up like that, your tongs aren't really gonna work because they're starting to get soft, so you wanna use a spatula so you can flip them. Look at that. Look at that color we're starting to get. Yeah, look at that right there. I promise you, there's nothing burnt about that. That is all flavor from the Preem-O. That's all we're putting in here. And that is just cooking into that onion. We still probably got, it's been 15 minutes. We still probably got another good 15 minutes, maybe 10 to 15. Let it cook. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. Look at them bad boys. Looking awesome. You can see that onion starting to pop up out of there. You know we're almost there, but we're still gonna need another 5 minutes. Look at those popping up. Oh. We're gonna give them a little bit more water. You know we're almost done, so we're gonna give it probably the last 5 minutes. All right, my friends, it has been just about 30 minutes. And so now, it's real simple. You just serve this up with a steak or anything you want. All right, now it's time for us to get a bite. So I'm gonna move these to the side. Now watch this. Watch how easy this cuts. Just like that. Cut it back the other way. Now this is how I like to do it. I kind of fan them out just like this. Kind of just press down and it fans them out. Then I get some black Hawaiian sea salt and just give them a little sprinkle. And now it's time to eat. My favorite part is the outside peel. Let's give it a try. I 100% promise you, if you try this onion made like this, you'll never do it any other way. That's the Yum Yum. Get you some. I hope you enjoyed the video. Go out there, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Keep sprinkling, my friends. It really is good.